In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade in and out video clips in Clipchamp in just 5 minutes. If you've ever wanted to add a smooth professional touch to your video projects, incorporating fade-ins and fade-outs can be a great way to enhance the viewing experience. We're going to walk through each step to make sure you understand how everything works, so let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to clipchamp.com using your browser of choice. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in to your account. Look towards the top right corner of the web page and click on Sign In. If you're a Microsoft user, I'd recommend choosing the option to continue with Microsoft. It's a quick and easy way to log in, especially if you use Microsoft apps regularly. After you've logged in successfully, you should find yourself on the Clipchamp homepage. From here, look for the button labelled Create a New Video and click on it. This is where all the magic happens, as you'll be creating your video project from start to finish. Next, it's time to input your media. Click on Import Media and upload the video files you want to work with. Once that's done, it's a simple matter of dragging and dropping your video files onto the timeline, which is located at the bottom of the screen. The timeline is your canvas where you'll be arranging, editing, and fine-tuning your project. With your video clips now visible on the timeline, the next step is to select the specific video frame where you'd like the fade effect to begin. Simply click on the video frame and head over to the fade option in the editor. This feature allows you to adjust the visual transition between different scenes, making your video look polished. Now you're ready to add the fade in effect. Click and drag the fade in button on the timeline towards the left. This will gradually bring your video from black to full color. Similarly, click and drag the fade out button to the right to gradually transition your video from full color back to black. This smooth transition is perfect for closing out your video with style. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add fade in and fade out effects to your video clips, making them look more professional and visually appealing. With practice, you'll be able to experiment and get creative with your fade durations, crafting videos that flow seamlessly from start to finish. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial. Now go ahead and impress your audience with your newfound video editing skills.